These are the statistical test analysis we need for Unit 6 or for the A2 general. We here have the chi-test, which is a categorical type of statistical test analysis to compare frequencies observed from an experiment with the frequencies expected from the theory. Here's the equation. Better to memorize these equations. It's x2 equal to the sum of observed minus expected squared over the expected. Expected here is the mean, meaning that if there are 90, for example, I have 90 balls, there are like 3 boys that would, like for example, here I have this, there are 90 balls, they're randomly placed on a table, and I have unleashed 3 boys, and they have only 5 seconds to collect as much uh, of these balls. So the mean or the expected would be that each would get an equal number of balls. For example, it's going to be 30 for each boy. However, the observed can be different, and that's how it works. T-test. T-test, it's the means. These are the means subtracted from each other, mean in field A, mean in field B, over the standard deviations over the number of pairs. It must be square root. Spearman's rank. Test, it's for correlation, it's 6, and the sum of d squared, which is the rank, difference between the ranks, and then n is the number of pairs or the number of values, and n squared, okay, the number of values squared minus 1. Also, the mean is sum of values over number of values is known as x dash from above. And SD will be the sum, it's all square root, sum of the x minus mean, x is any value in your question, and it's n squared, so it's n, it's not n squared, n minus 1. That's it.